Hi, Dr. Lean here. Are you looking for a really quick and easy way that is no cost to maybe update a picture or fix a headshot? I've got a great idea for you. If you're like me when you were starting out and you're looking for headshots and pictures and things, or maybe you get an email, or maybe you get this wonderful job opportunity and they need a picture to put up somewhere. And then you start panicking because you think, oh my goodness, I don't have a headshot. I don't have anything professional and I can't afford to go out there and get one. Well, one option obviously nowadays is to use the AI technology, but that can be expensive. I found some that are ranging from $30 to $50, but sometimes that's more than your budget can allow. So what is a way that you can get a great picture where you're confident and you feel great handing it over without a lot of money? Here's my trick and my tip. Make sure you have a very neutral background. If possible, have a black neutral color shirt. Ladies, if you're a little bit older, turtlenecks are your friend. I love them. They're my favorite when I have to do these kind of things. But have somebody take a simple picture of you, simple background. If you're not comfortable smiling, do different angles, right? Do all your things. Take that picture, even if it has to be a selfie, right? Pop your selfie stick up, do a picture, you're good. Take that picture and go find a makeup website. My favorite is Maybelline. It's very simple, easy. I like it. They're not sponsoring this, I promise. I've tested out a lot of the makeup websites, and this is the one that I like the most. You can actually log on to you don't log on, just get onto the website. They're not going to ask you to log on or do anything. Upload your picture, and then you can test out makeup, right? You can give yourself eyeliner, you can give yourself lipstick, you can do foundation. And when you're doing the makeup corrections on your picture, do it the same way you would do your normal makeup. Start with the primer, the red blocker, right? Then your foundation, then your blush, then your eye, however you do it. But start from the basics and work your way up. Guys, if you're not sure, just get in there and play around. Nobody's going to judge you. One of the cool things, though, I do like, and I'm pretty sure it's the Maybelline website. I don't know if y'all can tell. One of my eyes is a little bit different than the other eye. I'm from Tennessee, and when I was little, because that's what we do in Tennessee, we were playing out in the fields, and I fell on a tractor, and I cut my eye. So my eye has some little scar tissue. One of my eyes is a little bit wonky compared to the other. And I was actually able to go onto the Maybelline website and correct that eye for my picture. So I just kind of go in there and you just kind of edit a little bit. It's not hard. I had never done it before. Very point and click simple, right? And then you put your eyeliner on, do your things, right? You can even test out different styles, right? So maybe you want to do different cat eyeliners, whatever. When you're done and you like the way it looks, it lets you download the picture. It's a really simple, easy, cheap way to get a better looking picture that you're more comfortable sharing with your friends, and hopefully help you get some more jobs out there. If you like these tips and tricks, please let me know. Comment, let me know what you want, what you need. If there's anything else that I can do for you, please let me know. Always, Lean Management Solutions, I'm here to help. Dr. Lean, thank you.